Hello all, welcome to Genius channel. We are going to see some previous year Nda Maths questions. All of you read the question number 86. Question number 86. What is the solution of the differential equation x dy by x dy minus y dx is equal to 0? What is the solution of the differential equation x dy minus y dx equal to 0? So this is a question coming from the chapter differential equation. That is in your 12th standard, we are studying this chapter. So very direct question is, you have to find the solution. Okay, how would you do this? Very easy, no? Very simple equation. X dy minus y dx is equal to 0. So I can write x dy is equal to y dx. Or I can write it as dy by y is equal to dx by x. dy by y is equal to dx by x. Now what I can do? I can integrate it. Integrate both sides. Integrate both sides. So if you integrate both sides, it will become, what is the integration of 1 by y? That is log y, isn't it? Is equal to integral of 1 by x, that is log x, plus, if log is there, we'll take the constant as log c. Now what is the solution? You can write the solution. Log y is equal to log x plus log c can be combined as log cx, isn't it? Log cx. So removing log from both sides, you will get y is equal to cx. Y is equal to cx. That is option B is the correct answer. Option B is the correct answer. Easy, no? Rearrange the given question, then just integrate. Take all y's to one side, all x to other side, then just integrate both sides. Okay. Okay. Now go to the next question. Question number 87. What is the derivative of the function f of x equal to e raised to tan x plus ln sec x minus e raised to ln x at x is equal to pi by 4? Take the derivative. What is the derivative of the function? You have to take the derivative of this function. Take it. Okay, so how do you do? Just take the derivative. What is the derivative? Before going to that, I'm just simplifying. What is e raised to ln x? E raised to ln x is nothing but x, isn't it? E raised to log x, that is x itself. So this function becomes f of x is equal to e raised to tan x plus ln sec x minus x. Now take the derivative f dash of x. What is the derivative of e raised to x? It is e raised to x itself. So e raised to tan x into apply chain rule. Derivative of tan x is sec square x, isn't it? Plus ln sec x. ln sec x. What is the derivative of log? That is 1 by sec into derivative of sec x is sec x tan x minus what is the derivative of x? That is 1. So f dash of x equal to e raised to tan x into sec square x plus 1 by sec x into sec x tan x minus 1. Now, f dash of x is equal to, just rearranging this, sec square tan x, sec square e raised to tan x, sec square x e raised to tan x plus the sec x and sec x will go tan x minus 1. Now apply the angle pi by 4. Put pi by 4 x equal to pi by 4. So f dash of x at pi by 4. So put all values as pi by 4. So that is sec square pi by 4 into e raised to tan pi by 4 plus tan pi by 4 minus 1. So sec square pi by 4. What is sec pi by 4? Sec pi by 4 is 1 by, sorry, root 2. Sec pi by 4 is root 2. So root 2 square e raised to tan pi by 4 is 1 plus tan pi by 4, 1 minus 1, isn't it? So that is 2e plus 0, that is 2e. Option C, 2e. Very direct, only you have to take the derivative carefully. Whenever you take the derivative, take it carefully. Otherwise, your answer will go wrong. Take very carefully where you have to apply the chain rule. Apply that correctly. Don't, never forget to put the brackets wherever it is required. Okay. Okay, let's go to the question number 88. So for the 87th question, answer was 2e. Okay. Go to the question number. So before that, we see the question number 84. 84. Question number 84. If function R2S defined by f of x equal to 4 sin x minus 3 cos x plus 1 is on 2, what is S equal to? The given function is on 2. What is S equal to? Can I try also? Okay, now listen. Here you have to apply one formula or one note. You have to apply one note that we have to by heart. Okay, this note. Listen, if the function is of this form, function is like a sin x minus b cos x. If function of this form, a sin x minus b cos x. A sin x minus or plus or minus is okay. Even if it is plus or minus, it is okay. When it is plus or minus, it is okay. Plus or minus, that is fine. In this case, negative root of a square plus b square less than or equal to this function less than or equal to root of a square plus b square. Okay, so by heart this, what will be a sin x plus or minus b cos x line? It will lie in between negative root of a square plus b square to positive root of a square plus b square. So here A is 4, B is negative 3, isn't it? Isn't it? So it will lie from the root of 4 square plus negative 3 square, that is 16 plus 9 root 25, that is 5. Negative 5 less than or equal to 4 sin x minus 3 cos x less than or equal to 5. Isn't it? Negative 5 less than or equal to this function less than or equal to 5. Now what you can write? See, here we have a plus 1, isn't it? So I'm adding 1 to on all sides. So minus 5 plus 1 less than or equal to 4 sin x minus 3 cos x plus 1 less than or equal to 5 plus 1. So that is negative 4 less than or equal to 4 sin x minus 3 cos x plus 1 less than or equal to 6. Isn't it? So we can write this as this function will range from negative 4 to 6. That is negative 4 comma 6. Negative 4 comma 6. Negative 4 comma 6. Since this function is onto, we can write, since this function is onto, range of the function is negative 4 to 6. Option D. Negative 4 to 6, that is option D. So, what is the question number 89? What is the question number 89? Question number 89. What is the period of the function f of x equal to sin x? What is the period of the function f of x equal to sin x? What is the period of the function f of x equal to sin x? Okay, what do you mean by period? Period means after what interval this function repeats, isn't it? After what interval the function repeats. Now listen. Sine function, no? Sine function will look like this. Sine 0 is 0. Sine 90 is 1. Sine 180, that is also 0. So this will be a graph like this. If we draw, that will be a graph like this. Okay. Now we have to see after how much time this wave repeats. So here it is 0, 0. So here 1 for pi by 2. This is for pi. Then this is 3 pi by 2. This is 2 pi. Like that. Okay. So this sine wave repeats after what? Sine wave again repeats after 2 pi, isn't it? Sine wave is repeating after 2 pi. Sine wave is repeating after 2 pi. So the period is 2 pi. Or if you want, you can check like this. F of x equal to sin x. Whether it is repeating. For that, just check x plus 2 pi. What is f? That will become sine 2 pi plus x. Sine 2 pi plus x means which quadrant? First quadrant. There is sine positive, so that we get a sine x. So after 2 pi, the sine wave repeats, isn't it? So the period is 2 pi. Period of sine is 2 pi. That means period means nothing else. We have to check after what interval the function repeats. Okay, function repeats. Moving to the next question. Question number 90. What is integral dx by 2 raised to x minus 1 equal to? What is integral dx by 2 raised to x minus 1 equal to? We'll do one thing. We'll multiply the numerator and denominator by a 2 raised to minus x. Multiply the numerator and denominator by 2 raised to minus x. Then let's see what will happen. Okay, 2 raised to minus x. Multiply the numerator and denominator with 2 raised to minus x. So this will become 2 raised to minus x. Here also 2 raised to minus x, isn't it? So that is integral 2 raised to minus x divided by 2 raised to minus x and 2 raised to positive x. That will become 1 minus 2 raised to minus x dx. Okay, so our integration changes like this. Now what you can do is multiply the numerator and denominator by log 2. Just multiply the numerator and denominator by log 2. Okay, multiply numerator and denominator by log 2. So I am taking the denominator log 2 outside. Multiply numerator and denominator by log 2. Now, see what I am going to do. I am going to do substitution here. I am going to put 1 minus 2 raised to minus x as t. Then take the derivative 0 minus, what is the derivative of this one? Minus 2 e raised to 2 raised to minus x. What will be the derivative? It will be log 2, isn't it? How do you take this? This will become negative. So negative and negative will go as positive. 2 raised to minus x log 2, that is dt by dx. So that means 2 raised to minus x log 2 dx equal to dt. 2 raised to minus x log 2 dx is equal to dt. Now see this portion that became dt. So my question changed as dt by t. 1 by log 2. So what is the integration of 1 by t dt? That is log t. So it is 1 by log 2 log t. Understood? Plus c. Now replace t. So that is 1 by log 2 log t is what? T is 1 minus 2 raised to minus x plus c. Okay. So see the option. In the option, do we have such an option? Yes, log 2 is there. Log 2 is there. Yeah, log 2 here. Then log 1 minus 2 raised to minus x plus c. So that is option B. Option B is the correct answer. Option B is the correct answer. Okay, that's all for today. See you in another video with more questions. Thank you everyone. Thanks for watching Genius Channel.